The Hunchback medical term is kyphosis. We never would use a word like hunchback because it's very derogatory. It doesn't sound nice. Hunchback of Notre Dame. But this is a kyphosis. So if we look at the spine, the kyphosis is the normal curve that happens in the middle back. If this is the back of the skull and this is the pelvis looking at the spine from the side, you should have a normal curve in the back. And that hunchback, or hyperkyphosis as it's called, is when that curve is over approximately 40 degrees. Surgical level, 70 degrees. We're able to effectively treat this type of a condition with exercises, and we have a specialized type of bracing, which is a kyphosis brace, looks like this. And we can usually reduce the curves by 20 to 30%, even in an adult. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.